Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to mine on Binance Pool. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Binance app on your device. Once you're in, you'll see a number of features and services on the home screen. What you need to focus on now is the More option. Tapping this will open up a list of additional features and services. Next, locate the Binance Pool section under the Earn category. Tapping here will take you to the area specifically designed for mining operations. Now, it's time to choose the coin you want to mine. For this example, let's say you want to mine Bitcoin. Simply tap on Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency of your choice from the list, and this action will direct you to the mining options specific to that coin. You'll then need to copy the pool URL and worker details. The pool URL is a unique address that connects your miner to the Binance Pool, ensuring your device is completing tasks within the correct network. Worker details, on the other hand, are specific settings and names you assign to your mining machines to identify them on the network. The next step involves setting up your mining device. This could be an ASIC, which is specialized hardware designed for mining, or mining software if you're using a regular computer. Finally, it's important to link your Binance account to receive payouts. And that's it. So that is how you can mine on Binance Pool. So that's all for this video. Thanks.